Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 3, leçon F. And in this lesson we'll discover les Amériques. Les Amériques. So let's see now. Les États-Unis. Okay, so if we make every links, we'll have it here and then here. Okay, les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. Le Canada. Le Canada. Le Mexique. Le Mexique. X, X, Mexique. It's really the X. Huh? Le Mexique. And then remember this Q-U-E, it's only K, K. Mexique. Okay? Le Brésil. Le Brésil. Okay, you will pronounce the final L here, and then remember, accent aigu goes like E. Brésil. Le Brésil. L'Argentine. Okay, so you've got this nasal here. En, l'argent, and then tin. Don't pronounce the final it just gives you the pronunciation of the N. In. L'Argentine. L'Argentine. Le Chili. Le Chili. Okay, remember, C-H, sh. Okay, Chili. Le Chili. La Bolivie. Okay, final not pronounced. La Bolivie. La Bolivie. Alright, so I assume everything is clear. We can repeat them one more time. Les États-Unis, le Canada, le Mexique, le Brésil, l'Argentine, le Chili, la Bolivie. Okay, and then we'll see now the nationality. So you will see here each time first the masculine form and then the feminine form. Okay, so les États-Unis, américain. So when you talk about the nationality, américain, masculine form, un, américain, and then feminine form, américaine. Américaine. Okay, it's really open, this A-I. Américaine. Okay? Le Canada, canadien, yin, here, canadien, canadienne, yen. Remember, here you've got double N, so you've got to open the so it will become canadienne. Okay? Le Mexique, mexicain, un here, like we had in américain, A-I-N, mexicain, and then mexicaine. Le Brésil, brésilien, yin, brésilien, like we had for canadien, brésilien, feminine form, brésilienne, yen, brésilienne. Okay? And then l'Argentine, argentin, in, gives you this un sound, argentin, okay? And then Argentine. Okay, if you look carefully, well, basically the feminine form is the same as the name of the country, okay? Le Chili, chilien, yin, chilien, chilienne, okay? And then la Bolivie, bolivien, yin, same, bolivien, and then feminine form, bolivienne. Okay? Well, that's it for this lesson. I hope everything was clear for you. You can check on for the next lesson or the previous lessons on YouTube. Here is the name of the channel, Imagier. Okay, and then more material can be found, on this this address, imagier.net. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.